Any final thoughts, like being a realtor, being a flipper, or any other like final thoughts or like words of wisdom for the folks here?
I mean, if you're going for the realtor thing, I stand by what my mentor, unofficial mentor, what he said. Like, if you want to be a professional long term in the business, like it doesn't hurt. It's not going to hurt you. So I tell folks, if you're active and you plan on being in the business for extended period of time, just go get your license. Now, if you want to be completely passive and you're investing in like as a limited partner or private lending and stuff like that, I mean, there's probably easier, less painful ways to get access to the data. But again, if you're going to be in the business for any extended period of time, it's not going to hurt you. It's only going to help you. And on top of that, we're seeing more and more states, like especially on the wholesaling side, more and more states come down. Like Oklahoma recently required a license to wholesale. Illinois has done it. Atlanta's come out with recently some extra provisions. They haven't outlawed it, and they haven't required a license yet, but they've come out with some marketing guidelines where they're going to start going after people with that are aggressively marketing unsolicited. Philadelphia has come out with some regulations similar to that. So I think more and more of these states, as bad actors get caught and it gets like the wind of politicians, they're going to start requiring a license. So just get ahead of it. From an investment standpoint, especially if you're flipping, wholesaling, doing commissions, continue to do that. If it's working well for you, just find a way to hold a couple properties a year and do that consistently. So that way, whether it's market change, your personal goals or whatever, at some point you can look back and you actually still have something of value, because once you sell a flip or a wholesale or commission, like the money's gone. I mean, money's not gone, but you're not going to earn any more money off that deal. You only build wealth through owning assets. So flip, hold, flip, hold, or find a strategy or a formula that works for you. Because at the end of 10 years, you'll be more happy with the ones that you held than 200 flips sounds cool. I'd be much happier if I said I kept 30 of them. I didn't.
Interesting. Okay. So yeah.
Well, from an equity standpoint, it'd be much further off. But yeah, I mean, we have, I don't know, roughly 9 doors or so now, plus the it's around 390 something with a multifamily.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, that's what I've shifted to, and that's what I teach my students as well. Like, do flips, that's great, but also do rentals. So I'm buying 2 this week, and that's great. One's a rental, one's a flip. So I just like to break it out that way. I don't know if for me it's like a ratio.
You'll get tons of capital, like tax benefits from that too.
Yeah, exactly.
So flipping and wholesaling and all that stuff, that's very active income. So if you have more depreciation through rental properties, then that'll flow through and help eat up some of your income. Get with a smart CPA. Definitely check with your CPA about getting real estate professional status, because that has like really, really, really good benefits, and you have to be active in the real estate market. And the thing is like over 750 hours a year to get that. But if you can, it has tons of net financial benefits to your tax return.